और पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा क्यों होता है, जहाँ पे भी बॉर्डर होते हैं ना वहाँ विषम परिस्थिति ही होती है, या तो बहुत ठंडी होती है या बहुत गर्मी होती है। स्थिति कभी ऐसी नहीं होगी कि आप उस जगह को इंजॉय कर सके, कि नौकरी भी, ड्यूटी भी बजा रहे हैं और मौसम भी अच्छा हो।
बिल्कुल, तभी तो हमारे ये सब जो वीर जवान यहाँ खड़े हैं, इनको पता है कि कितनी मुश्किल होती है उन सारे बॉर्डर के जो लोकेशंस हैं हिंदुस्तान के, या तो बहुत गर्मी है या तो बहुत ठंड है, या तो ऑक्सीजन कम है, या तो
या बहुत ऊपर है या बहुत नीचे
जी
है।
बिल्कुल। तो हमसे ज़्यादा तो ये जानते हैं, और हम बस आपको अगेन यही दर्शाने आए हैं कि आपका काम कितना मुश्किल और कितना अहम है, और वही उम्मीद करते हैं कि सारे दर्शक देखें।
विष्णु, बायोपिक बनाते वक्त मेरे ख्याल से सबसे बड़ा डर यही होता है कि आप कितनी सच्चाई से अपनी बात कह पाएंगे, और वो भी एक ऐसी बायोपिक जो आप एक वॉर हीरो पे बना रहे हैं। तो आप कितनी लिबर्टीज ले सकते हैं, कितना फिक्शन डाल सकते हैं, ये कैसे तय होता है? क्योंकि वॉर हीरो का सब कुछ डॉक्यूमेंटेड है, यहाँ तक कि उनका प्यार तक डॉक्यूमेंटेड है।
First, very good afternoon to all. It's been a honor and a privilege to be here. Thank you so much for that. मैं उतना हिंदी नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, but I hope it's okay if you can pardon me. I can just speak in English. Yeah. See, when it comes to making a film like based on any service for that matter, for example, now we have made Shershah on Captain Vikram Batra. Now the most important thing is we have all the material that is there on the internet, on everywhere. Books have been written, everything is there. But the key factor is to get up close to the service, to get up close to the person himself. See, we know for the fact the only way is to do honest research to that. तो हमने क्या किया, we met through Vishal Batra, उनका जुड़वा भाई हैं, through Vishal Batra and General Y.K. Joshi. We met all the officers, the family members, the friends, the people who studied with him and who lived with him in Palampur, and every officer who served with him on the battlefield, whoever available throughout kitne mahine, close to about 5 to 6 months, and all. We were really traveling, meeting everybody even before we wrote the script. But why do we need to do that? Because for what Vikram has done, for what Captain Vikram Batra has done, it's nothing actually, because to what we are doing, and to be honest in telling a story, aisa kahani batane mein you need to be extreme honesty. So for that we had to really put our work even before we write the script, meet everybody, gather everything, and the cinematic liberties jitna liye hai, we didn't over dramatize anything, or we didn't, because what happened in reality is phenomenal, because we cannot comprehend that. So we tried to be as close as real. So drama ko, we just kept it not over dramatic but very real. So what happens is everybody who sees the film can actually associate with the emotion of every soldier and the sacrifice of every soldier. I think that is the most important thing. And these stories are very inspirational. ऐसा कहानियाँ अभी नहीं, it has to be told forever. Many stories on many soldiers who have serving the country, it has to be told forever actually. And possible, yes, if we all have the opportunity, we will keep making films like that as and when we keep doing. And first, it's been an honor, and thank you so much. I think we should be sitting there, you should be on the dais, but it's the other way around. It's been an honor to be there with you. Thank you.